Hello everyone, myself Chandana Ahmed and my USN is 1V20CS028. Today I'm speaking about data mining and data warehousing. In this today my topic is data warehousing models. As we all know, there are three types of data models, that is enterprise data warehouse, data mart, and virtual warehouse. First is enterprise data warehouse, where it collects all the information regarding the spanning of entire organization. Data mark is a subset of cooperative wide data that is a value to the specific group of user. It is the scope confined to the specific selected group such as marketing data. It also has a two types, that is independent and versus dependent, which is directly from the data warehouse. Independent and dependent data mart. Third type is virtual warehouse. It is all set of views over the operational database. It has only some of the possible summaries view maybe. Uh, next we will learn more detail about this three types of uh, data warehouses models. First is enterprise warehouse, where it collects all the information about the spanning the entire organisms. It provides a cooperative wide data integration, usually from one or more of operational system or external information provided. It is a cross-functional in the scope. It is a typical contains detailed as well as summarized data, can range in the size from few gigabytes to hundreds of gigabytes. Here the enterprise data warehouse, it is a collects the information of all the organization, and it provides the data integration usually from one operational system to the another operational system. It also has detailed as well as a summarized data, and which is ranging from few gigabytes to hundreds of yeah, gigabytes. Second one is data mart. Data mart is also known for the data storage and data resources, where the data storage system contains information specific organization unit. It contains a small and selected part of the data that the company stores in the large storage system. Companies uses the data firm to analyze the data and the specific information more efficiently. It provides the data that is the key stakeholder can usually quick the information made in the decision. For example, a company might store the various resources such as suppliers information, orders, sensors, data information, and other financial records in their data warehouses and data lake. Here company also stores the information relevant for relevant to which is relevant, and for the instance in the marketing department for such as social reviews and customer records in the data. Third one is virtual data. Virtual data is another term for the computer cluster that that has a more power to power the modern data warehouse. It is an independent compute resource that can be leveraged at any time for the SQL execution and DML, that is the data manipulation language. Then it is turned off whenever it is not needed. So there will be a saving the power as well as some storage also. It is a main important model for the running of SQL and DML. And for the decades, the traditional on the premises data warehouse has tightly coupled the storage and the compute. It is making it a challenge, making it a challenge to the scale on their entire demand. However, today's business need a storage and analysis of vast quantities of both structured and unstructured from the disparate services. Necessitating a service they can respond to the large volume and variable compute needs for the applications such as visualization. This is all about the three data warehouse models. Here is here is the image of where data warehouse models. First is the CRM, where it is a customer relation management system, where there are lot there where it's a relation between the customer and the production management. That is the it's a relationship between the customer and the management. Second one is the ERP. ERP refers to the enterprise resource planning, where all the planning of the resource organization of the enterprise, where the data is collected here and it is transferred to the ETL. Next is billing. And it is flat files, that is the documents whichever required will be sent to the ETL. ETL mainly stands for extract, transfer, and load, where all these four, that is CRM, ERP, billing, flat files, are sent to the ETL, and from there it is sent to the warehouse where it performs all the required actions, that is collection of data and sending it to the and it provides the report and analytics and data mining. The report is nothing but the report of these organize the management, and next is analytics, that is in the that will be provided in the form of graph, and third is in the data mining. There is a that is also the information will be the information provided from the data warehouse. This is all about the data warehouse and data warehouse models. In furthermore videos we will learn more about data warehouse and data mining and data warehouse. Thank you.